it my network or nobody's speaking?
I don't think they have started. I don't think they have started.
Hello, good evening. Good evening, everyone. It's already 8 o'clock. We are supposed to start this.
Good evening. Good evening.
We are supposed to
Good evening.
start this training around 8 o'clock West African time. That's why I was mute. Okay. So today we are going.
Please, can you be more audible? Please, can you be more audible, please?
So are you hearing me loud and clear now?
Sorry. Hi.
Not really,
I'm
not really.
hearing
But I
you
can
very
hear you, but
kind of
not loud
low.
and clear.
Yes, very low.
Are you hearing me now? Hello. Hello. Are you hearing me? Hello.
Sir, not that we cannot hear you. We can hear you, but it's not loud. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. Let me check my mic if my mic is loud. Okay. A minute. Can you hear me now? Hello,
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you.
is the mic audible now?
I can't speak for others, but I can hear you. I would suggest they increase the volume of their own device. Maybe that will help. But I can hear you.
Okay, we are going to start now. So,
Sorry. You said I'm currently on my highest volume of my mobile device,
so
Oh, okay.
you
and
cannot
your
hear me.
voice is still very low. I don't know if am I meant to click on any particular setting because I'm using this GT app for the first time. So that I'm training my ear to hear what is being said in this meeting.
Okay, okay.
I
So
just have to connect with my AirPod. With this
just
AirPod, I was able to hear you.
just try
I'm hearing you clear.
just try to
Okay,
put
so
your
get you clearly, I have to use my AirPod to join this meeting to hear effectively.
yes. So we are going to
All
start
right,
now.
thank you.
Please, I just want your attention and I also want you to react to whatever I say. So once I speak and I ask if you are uh, hearing me or if you want to reply, just use your thumbs to reply or the sticker to reply, okay?
Uh-huh.
Hello.
Okay, okay.
Sir, yes, sir.
All right.
So today we are going to see some of the things we are going to learn during the course of this training. This is CM Tech community. CM Tech community is a community that help to educate students, teach them the necessary things they need to know in tech, and also groom them to build their knowledge in technology. And also CM Tech is a community which focus on data analysis. So the data analysis we are going to talk is the Python data analysis. We have different type of data analysis. We have the descriptive data analysis, exploratory data analysis, predictive data analysis. So this analysis have different parts or different ways you can analyze them. So Sylvester, you said you are having poor network. Please kindly go to a suitable location which you can access the network very well. I think your phone or device is losing network. So they have different
Yeah,
analysis method.
very good.
Okay, so hope you guys heard what I just said. Okay, good, good. Now I want to introduce myself. So, Hyper Savior, can you speak? You raise up your hand to speak. Savior, okay. I guess is mistake. Now, I want to introduce myself. So, this is a trainer which will be taking this course to the next level. As we journey together, I just want you to focus, give yourself a time, prepare yourself, and also practice what you have been taught in this training. So, my name is Okore Moses Chukwudike. I am a dedicated and ambitious data analyst with a strong academic background in computer science, holding a national diploma in computer science from the Federal Polytechnic Auchi and a Bachelor of Science Education in Computer Science from Nnamdi Azikiwe University. I possess a comprehensive understanding of computer system, programming language, and data analysis techniques. My expertise in Python, MySQL, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn enable me to effectively collect, analyze, and interpret complex data. I hope you guys have seen me in person through my description about me. Hello,
Yes, yes, sir. We have seen you.
good, nice one. So we are moving to the curriculum for the training. Before we move to the curriculum, okay, Dominico, can you speak? You raise up your hand. Hello, okay. Since you don't want to speak, you can either write it on a text on the open chat. Okay. So before we start the introduction to our course, Python for data analysis, I want to let you know that training or this course will last, okay, will last for 6 weeks. Will last for 6 weeks. The first 4 weeks, we are going to work on Python and analysis proper. Then the fifth week is your project, and which you are expected to carry out the project for 1 week. And the last week is your graduation. Is your graduation. This training is a training that will educate you, impact knowledge in you, and also make you a data analyst. And I want to tell you that put more effort, practice, and dedicate your time in data analysis. Carry out your research and also research to what you were taught in class. Research on it, okay? Now we are moving to our curriculum. So this is the curriculum for our Python for data analysis. The first is the introduction to data analysis. The first week, the first week we are going to look on who is a data analyst, what are the necessary tools a data analyst work with, who does an analyst work with, what a data analyst do, what is the difference between a data analyst, data engineer and a data scientist, and what is data analysis. Overview of the key concept and application, e.g. the healthcare, the finance and the marketing. So if you have any question to ask, kindly ask now before I move further to the next week. So you can ask your question now.
Okay, so I have a question.
Okay.
Uh, I don't, I don't know whether it's part of the questions, but okay, I think one of the questions say who does analysts work with? Okay, it's there. That was what I wanted to ask anyway. And then also I would like to inquire for people that didn't really study like computer science in as a course in the university, do they also have opportunity to be employed in organizations to work as data analysts if they have the required skill?
Yes, yes, yes. The truth is that your skills prove what you can do. And I also want to let you know that you are not just acquiring certificates to work. Many people might have a certificate but do not have the skills. I want to let you know that skills is more important in your education and also attached to your degree. Hope you understand what I just explained to you.
Yes, I do.
So even if you do not have a degree but you have the skills, you can be a player. But it is necessary for you to have a degree, okay? Degree is more important. It's just the
Yes,
requirements, okay?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, is there anyone who wants to ask a question? Hello? Okay.
Hi.
Is there anyone who wants to ask a question?
No.
Okay. Now, I want to hear from one of everyone here, starting from DE. D, please unmute and speak. So, I want to know about you. D, Hello, is the person here? D, can you speak? Unmute your mic and speak. Hello, okay?
Hi.
Okay, please can you mute? I'm asking a question. D, can you speak? Okay, Gas James, can you speak? James, James, can you speak?
He said he raised his hand by mistake.
I want to know about him. Can you speak? Okay. For those who don't want to speak, I might kick you out. Please speak now so that I will know you are following. So, Domenico, can you speak? I want to know about you.
Hello everyone.
You're
So my
welcome.
name my
Hello.
name is Dominic and I'm from Kenya.
Wow.
I'm
So,
a graduate construction manager, but I'm interested and I'm glad to join this class. I'm looking forward to become a professional data analyst.
you're welcome. Okay. James,
Am
can
I
you?
clear?
Yes, you are okay. You can mute now. James, can you speak or get kicked out right now? Are we smart? Are we smart? Please speak.
Good evening. Can you
I
hear
want
me?
to, yes, I can hear you.
Okay, good evening everyone. Good evening, Mr. Moses.
You're welcome.
It's actually nice to be here. Thank you for organizing this program for us. So my name is Enyafe Ayomide. That are smart is just a kind of appellation, like nickname. I'm a student of University of Benin, 600 level pharmacy, and I'm happy to be here.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. IK Small Nation. Can you speak?
Yeah, good evening, everyone.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, Moses. My name is Ike Chuku, graduate of economics in Nigeria. Um, Good to be here. To be here. I actually want to learn this data analysis so I could add it up to my economics degree, maybe become a financial analyst. Yeah,
You're welcome.
I really class. Thank you.
So, Lasisi, can you speak? Hello, Lasisi, can you speak? James, are you ready to speak?
I'm here.
Okay, speak. I want to hear from you.
Yes, my network is a little bit poor. Yes, James. I'm from Nigeria. I'm new in the tech of data analysis.
You are welcome. So, Lasisi, can you
Yeah,
speak?
thank you.
Onishowu, can you speak?
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, hopefully you can. My name is Nigeria.
I'm not hearing you.
Good evening, everyone. Hope
Good
we are
evening.
all.
I guess your mic is having issues.
From Nigeria. I guess it's network problem.
Okay. Okay. I heard that you are from Nigeria. Okay. Lasisi, can you speak or get kicked out? Okay. Praise, can you speak? Praise.
Praise. Good evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening,
evening.
everybody.
I'm Praise Uzoma from
My name
Nigeria.
is Lakia.
Okay. Praise, please mute. Let Lasisi
Oh,
speak. Lasisi, can you speak?
Yeah, good evening, everybody. Hey, I'm just joining the meeting. My name is Lakia. I'm from State. Really happy to be here to learn better analysis for the first time. I hope this platform is very useful to everybody.
You are welcome. So, Praise, can you speak?
good evening, everyone. My name is Able Praise Uzoma, and my nationality is Nigeria. And I'm happy to learn data analysis with all of you. Nice to meet you.
You're welcome. So, Mr. Sylvester, can you speak? Sylvester, please mute. Sylvester, please, can you speak? Sylvester, can you speak? You can't barely hear, but other students are hearing me.
I think my network is so bad. I'm moving from one end of my compound to the other one to be able to catch up.
Yes, I understand you
I
have a
don't
good
know. I
network.
don't really don't know.
Okay, can you introduce yourself for us?
Okay. Good evening, everyone.
Good
My name
evening.
is Sylvester Suye. I'm a Benin person, graduate from University of Health Education. I actually work with Genius Hub Limited as a facilitator and also their facility manager.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you very much.
So let's move on to our curriculum review. So on the first week, we are going to look data science flow. That is the problem definition, data collection, data cleaning, data analysis, model and development. What is data and what is the data wrangling and mumbling and cleaning? How do they differ from each other and what are the difference? We are going to know what is Python and how is it better than other data analysis modules, how we can install Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook. Okay, I want you to let you know that Anaconda is a software, an IDE. An IDE means Integrated Development Environment. Integrated development environment. And Jupyter Notebook is a notebook which compile Python code on different tab with text and code. Okay, please, if your mic is on, kindly mute. If your mic is on, kindly mute. So D did not introduce yourself. D, kindly introduce yourself or get kicked out. Hello, D, kindly introduce yourself or get kicked out.
Okay, hi.
Hi.
I'm Darius from Kenya, and
Okay.
I'm currently like studying computer science, and
Okay.
I'm so glad joining this forum.
Okay. Please, I want to let you know that this is a forum where we learn, and I want to get a feedback from each and every one of you. Okay. I need a feedback from each and every one of you. So that is why we are here to learn. Okay. So I saw a message, sir. I didn't hear what you said about Anaconda installation. Okay, I did not talk about installation. I just explained. I said Anaconda is a software. It's an IDE environment, meaning integrated development environment, which we can run offline. We have the Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook can run online and offline. Google make it easier for us to work on Jupyter Notebook through Google Colab. Okay, I will explain more. So I just want us to go through the curriculum before we go back to what we are going to learn today. Okay, so the next is introduction to other ID other programming IDE. Introduction to other programming IDE. Okay. Integrated development environment. Week 2. In week 2, in week 2, we are going to know VS Code. Although I might not wait till week 2, I might not wait till week 2. So we are going to learn everything. Okay. VS Code, we are going to know how we can use VS Code, PyCharm, Google Colab, but Spider, I will give you as an assignment to research on it. So we are going to learn the basic syntax, illustration on various IDE. Then we are going to know what is introduction to Python basics, where we have the Python syntax, variable, the rules for declaring variables, the data type, and operator. We are going to look on Python data structure. Python data structure comprises of a string operation, lists and string operation. So in week 3, we are going to look on data structure proper. We are going to look on data structure proper. We are going to look on dictionary, sets and tuples. We are going to look on if else statement, switch and break, control, flow slash function. controls flow slash function. So we are going to look for for loop and while loop. A controls flow comprises of for loop and while loop. We are going to look on definition of function and calling function. We are going to work on function, Python class and objects. We are going to know argument and parameters, keyword argument, introduction to class and object. Okay. So in week 4, we are going to dive into class and objects. Class and objects, where we are going to define a class. We are going to define the class attributes, the method, the class inheritance, object creation, object attributes. We are going to work with libraries. This is our data analysis proper where we are going to work on libraries. We have the first and second libraries. We are going to work on the NumPy and pandas. NumPy is a short form. It's a short form. NumPy is numerical Python. Numerical Python is a short for NumPy. Numerical Python. And we are going to look on pandas. Pandas is a library which is used in analysis proper. Analysis proper. While we are going to look on the second library, which is Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a visualization and tools which we visualize what we have analyzed, and we are going to look on our project at the end of the training. I hope this curriculum suits you. I just want to hear from each and every one of you. Let's ask from the first. So, Ipa, just want to hear from you. Hope this curriculum suits your demand.
Yes, yes, it does.
So,
It does.
Chioma,
Yes, it does.
okay, Chioma.
Yes, sir, it does.
So, Ebo Chioma, D, James,
Yes, sir, it does.
okay, Arismat,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It does. It's
Lasisi.
okay, sir.
So, now let's go back to our week 1. So, we are in week 1. I just want this class to be interactive. Now, I want to hear from each and every one of you. This is why we are learning. I always want to get feedback from my students. So I just want everyone to be among and flow with the class. So what is data? Who is a data analyst? So if you have an idea or what you feel like a data analyst does, what you think. So I just want to hear from each and every one of you. So starting from Apa, who is a data analyst? Okay. Hello, Apa. Savior, okay? Like Savior is having network issue. D, can you tell me what is data analyst? What do you think a data analyst is?
Okay, like data analyst, I can say it's just a professional who gathers information or data from maybe various sources
Okay.
to help an organization to make decisions.
Wow. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. You just explain who is a data analyst. You just explain it. So, Gas James. Hello, Gas James. So, what are the necessary tools a data analyst work with? Gas James. James, what do you think, or what tools do you think a data analyst work with? Hello, James. So, Harry Smart.
A data analyst use to analyze data that can easily pass information for easy decision making.
Oh, nice one. Nice, nice. You just explain it. Uh, I have seen that with few time you will be able to grab what I have prepared for you guys. So, Harry Smart, who does an analyst work with?
Okay, I think an analyst they work with organizations that have business with data, like what is business organizations?
No.
Yes, not just only business organization can be let me just say any association that works with data, like influx of data. Okay.
Okay, okay. I want to throw more light. So, not just a business organization, your schools can also use your data analysis tools. Schools can also use data analysis tools, and they can use the school data to compile student results, or during their process of registration, the data analyst collect their data to give a meaningful insight if they have if they have male or female students with low or high number of students. Okay, not just business. You can also use it in hospital in predicting. I know data analysis do not deal on predicting, but data science deal on predicting. Okay, so you can also use it in let me tell you, in bank. You can also use it in bank, and also you can also use it in so many organization. Okay, it's not just the business and environment. Okay, so Saviour, can you tell me, can you explain or throw more like what you understand by what a data analyst do?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
All right. From my understanding, I think a data A data analyst, he collects the raw data of an organization, possibly it could be a hospital, any organization at all. He collect the data, it works on the data to draw meaningful to draw a meaningful result, to come out with a meaningful output from the data, and from the result is able to possibly predict future occurrences or to profile
Okay, nice one from you. So, Chioma, can you tell me the difference between or what you understand by data analyst, data engineer, and data science? What you understand, just tell me.
Mm, data analyst is from the name is someone who analyzes data and compiles them. And a data engineer is someone who handles more of softwares and which other one again?
Data scientist.
Like you said, mm, someone is sorry, is well, that's just all I can say now. Maybe you can shed more light. I missed out on so many things due to network issues.
Okay, okay. Now we are still learning.
Okay, sorry. A data scientist is someone who predicts, right?
Yes, he predicts. He's a scientist that predicts, that work with models. Data engineer also work with
Yeah.
strong and high level models that develop models. Okay, I want us to go through the Google and search for the difference between them so that everyone will have a good understanding and a good idea in what the in what these three persons or these three data analyst, data engineer, and data scientist is all about. Okay, so let me go to my Google. Please a minute before I will share my screen to my Google. Okay, so are you seeing my screen?
yes.
So now we have searched for who is a data analyst. A data analyst collects, analyze and interpret data to help business making decision, right? They use statistical and computational techniques to derive insight from data, which each and every one of you just explained. Okay, so are you with me? Hello? Now, so
Yes, yes, yes.
so let me search who is a data engineer. Okay, a data engineer is an IT personnel who design, build, and maintain the infrastructure and pipeline that collects, process, store, and prepare data for analysis and used by data scientists and data analyst. Okay, I hope you understand.
Yes.
So now let me search for data scientist. So a data scientist is a professional who use data analysis, programming, and statistical skills to help business making decision. Okay, did you see the difference?
Yes, sir.
Hello everyone, do you see the difference? Just reply with the sticker so that we'll move on. So I'm going back to my screen. I'm going back to my screen now. Now, okay, and let me read the chat for I have not read the chat. So let me read the chat. Okay, and so that I will reply some certain message which I have not replied. Okay. Okay, Lasisi said, is Lasisi still in class? Okay. Lasisi said, sir, please sir, can we get notes for today lecture? Network is not friendly. Okay. The class will be uploaded and also the curriculum will be shared to our group chat. Okay. I hope each and every one of us heard what I just said. Okay. And now I want us to look on I just want to us to look on what is data. So save your to your knowledge, what is data? What do you think is data?
All right. To my knowledge, data is any raw fact that has not been processed yet.
Okay.
That's data.
Unprocessed data. Or processed
Unprocessed information.
information rest information. Thank you for the correction. Of processed information. Okay. Is data. They are raw. They have not been processed. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
and Choma, or I have not asked D. Okay, D. Hello, D. I just want you to unmute. D. Hello. Are you in class?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think is data mongling, data wangling, and data cleaning? What do you think? So I want to hear from you. What do you think is data mongling, data wangling, and data cleaning? Hello. Hello. I want to hear from you. Please, quick to answer me.
like, okay, what I can recall is data monging is like, it's the process of like transforming and mapping data.
Okay. Okay, what is data wrangling? What do you think is data wrangling and cleaning?
Data wrangling. Okay.
Okay, I think that will be too hard for us. Now, let me share my screen to the Google so that we are going to see it. Okay, now I'm sharing my screen. Now, let's ask what is data wrangling? So, are you with me? Are you seeing my screen? Hello, are you seeing my screen? Hello, okay.
No, I cannot. No, I cannot.
Okay, I guess it's your network. So now, and someone should read from me, and let me call Praise. Praise have not been speaking. So Praise, read what you saw on the screen. Data wrangling.
Okay, good evening. Data wrangling, also known as data cleaning or data modeling, is the process of transforming raw data into a usable format for analysis, involving tasks like cleaning, structuring, and enriching the data.
Yeah. So I want to let you know that data wrangling, data modeling, data cleaning are the same. They are just like transforming and also looking out for missing data. I hope you understand. Hope you understand D, and hope you understand everyone. Okay, good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, so we are going to, I'm going to share my screen back. So, so are you seeing my screen now?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes.
okay, we have seen the difference between each other. Now, okay, what is Python and how is it better than the others? Okay, and who have an idea? Who can tell me why is Python better than others? Who can throw more light? And what is Python? If you know
Okay.
it,
Okay. So, Python is a programming language. Okay, using coding, and basically the reason why Python is so much vast this time is because of the simplicity. Like it's very simple to understand, and also when it comes to data analysis, it's I think it helps to um, let's say measure now or do a lot of how will I put it now to gather a lot of data that are not maybe possible on other data analysis of software.
good. And I want to also add to what you just said. Okay, what is Python? A Python is an high level language. High level language. When we say high level language, means that it understand the natural language like the human language. Hope you understand. I hope you guys understand. The, if I said high level language,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
it, Python interprets with English and our normal natural language, unlike our previous programming language, which uses symbols to interpret. Then during our let's say our forefathers, those our ancient programmers, they use some programming language which interprets with symbols and signs. One of them is assembly language. Assembly language. Have you heard about assembly language? Is there anyone who have heard about assembly language?
Yes.
Huh? Okay. So I guess you understand. You have heard about assembly language. So now this programming language, Python is easy. It's easy in the sense that it can process clean millions of data with a simple or with okay, let me put it like this. Python can analyze data with just little code, millions of data with just little code, okay? Unlike the other data analysis tools, okay? Python can also visualize, okay? So this is why it's better than others, okay? And I just want you to know that Python makes our work look good and make it look more attractive and reasonable, okay? So, um, how to install an Akoda Jupyter Notebook. So, I shared a link where all the softwares you can access it. Hope you guys saw it. I do share it frequently. I just want to hear from you guys. Hello, did you saw the link which all the software is which you need?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, I saw them.
Yes, okay, good. You can download through that link. You can download. Therefore, before we go further, I will also show you the difference between them. Okay, now let me okay, let me show you some of the IDE before I want to hear from you guys, then we round up the class, okay? So let me share my screen, my general screen, my full screen. So I'm sharing my entire screen and I hope you are seeing it. Hope you are seeing it. If you are seeing it, give me a thumbs up or at least okay. Now this is VS Code and this is Workbench. Workbench is used for MySQL and VS Code is used for coding. Coding. You can code different programming language if you download the extension in it. Now, let me, okay, this is PyCharm. Let me open this PyCharm and let's see how PyCharm look like. Okay, I'm still opening it, and let me open the VS Code for us to see. And this is a tabular. Tabular is used for analytics visualization, and this is Power BI. Power BI is also used for data analytics. Okay, I hope you guys are with me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, we're with you.
Now, this is okay. This is a sample of Jupyter Notebook. I want to load it. I want to show you guys. Okay, this is a sample of Jupyter Notebook, comprises of code and text. This is a tab which you can run, and you can run as many as you can. So when you are running a Jupyter Notebook, you can play each tab in different time and what you need. Okay, and VS Code is not. Hello, you raise up your hand. Gas James. Hello, James, you raise up your hand. Okay. Now in VS Code, for you to get this Jupyter Notebook, you have to download the Python extension. You have to download the Jupyter Notebook. You come to this as a site where you see the search. This is where you can search for Jupyter Notebook. You see installed. You see everything. You can update. You can install. You can search for the software you need. You see, as I have clicked on the Jupyter, you see, I've clicked on the software, the Python software, which I've already downloaded. It showed me to update, which I don't want to update. So this is where you can get them and install on your VS Code. Okay. So I want to see if our PyCharm has opened. So I'm still waiting for the PyCharm. Okay. So before the PyCharm open, I just want to hear if you are with me. A thumbs up if you are in class, if you are with me. Hello. Okay. And nice one, nice one, nice one. So let's see if the PyCharm has load. Okay. Let us not just waste time. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. Okay. Let's proceed. You can download the PyCharm. I've already shown you how the PyCharm look like. Okay. So now it's almost time for us to close. I've not heard for Adu Akini. Adu Akini, please, I want you to unmute your mic and speak. I want to know about you. Adu Akini. Adu Akim, please, I want to know about you. Unmute your mic or get kicked out. Abdulhakeem. Okay, and I just want us to flow together, and someone just came into the class and mute. I just want to hear from you guys, and you feel like you can come to the meeting and mute. No. Hello, Abdulhakeem, the last time unmute and speak.